Show me your belly. Where's your tummy? You don't have your dress on. Just your shirt. Just your shirt. You show me your belly? Rawr. 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 No, not my belly. Where's your belly? Look right here. Yeah, just your shirt. No, right here. Let me show you. Oh, there's your belly. Look at there. Is that your belly button? Is that your belly button? There it is. Where's your nose? Oh, there it is. Where's your ears? Yay, where's your mouth? Mouth? Come on, let's go see. Is Sissy playing the guitar? Oh, here's Aubrey. Look at this big mess. Oh, who's that right in the mess? She's watching Scooby-Doo. Oh, there's Cody's tummy again. Where's your tummy? There's your tummy. Aubrey, tell me how old you're going to be.
3.
Yeah, when will you be 3?
3 in August.
3 in August. Are you going to have a birthday party?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat cake?
Yeah.
What else are you going to do?
I'm going to get my toys and I'm going to play.
You're going to get your dollies and play?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can I play?
Can you play what?
Can I sing?
Can you see in the camera?
Yeah.
Why don't you sit over there and sing You Are My Sunshine with Daddy? Play the guitar. You don't want to do that? Oh, there's Cody. Where are you headed to, Cody? Oh, you don't know? Oh, look at this big mess in Aubrey and Cody's room. Oh, who made this mess? Ooh, who's going to clean it up? Who? Oh, Nana? Oh. Okay. Who made this mess, Cody? Yeah, that mess? Who made it? Oh. What are you doing now? Oh. Oh, look. All these toys they have to play with. And she picks out a straw that goes to my workout cup. Yeah. Out of all these toys, that's what she picked out of the floor to play with. It was a straw. Whoop. What are you going to do with this mess? Huh. Maybe you should clean it up. Why don't you dance a little jig? Can you dance? How's your hair? Yeah, there's your hair. How is it? Oh. Can you clap? Yay! Clap again. Yay! Where's your ears? Yay! Where's your nose? Good one. Where's your eyes? Eyes? Oh, you don't like doing your eyes? Where's your tootsies? Where's your tootsies? There they are right there. Yeah, where's your piggies?
Can I see too?
Yeah.